Hi friends, welcome back to Tulsi Tech and Creatives. Guys, today we need to discuss about EBS volume. This is very important topic of AWS. So yesterday we completed some of the AWS services already. So please go through the previous videos. Yesterday we completed placement groups and there is a one more topics IAM users and groups and these topics elastic IPs and elastic ENI elastic network interface. These are the topics we already covered yesterday. Please go through previous video. Then network related VPC videos also we already done. Then today topic is EBS. EBS means elastic block storage. Here in the screen there is some points I have added. EBS is elastic block storage volume. Volume is a network drive you can attach your EC2 servers. Then like if you allow your instance persistence data, even though you can attach and you can terminate the like whenever you attach it manually, that data you can terminate if you want. Like terminate is not a good practice. So for example, if you attach your EBS, then whatever application is running, thus like any packages you are installed, like any data you stored in your server, right? In that data also it will store your EBS volume. So once you attach, then don't terminate. Like there is a one of the concept of snapshot for taking the backup of EBS volume, so that we can discuss tomorrow how we are taking the backup of snapshot. If you delete by default, by like for example, if you deleted, unfortunately it got deleted, so how we can revert back that without loss any data. So that I will show you how to create the snapshot of your VPC. Today also I will show you how to disable the delete protection of your EBS volume. So if you enable the delete protection, it will not delete your EBS volume once your server is got shut down. Like once your server got terminated, it will not delete. Main important is whenever you launch any server, any EC2 EBS, it will create automatically. Whenever like if you are not enabling delete protection, whenever your EC2 got terminated, then EBS volume also it got removed. This is very important point. You remember this every time. This is one of the interview question also. So we can go through remaining points. So they can only mounted one instance at a time. This is also very important point. One EBS we can mounted at a time in one instance only. They are bound specific availability zone. I think a network USB stick, free trail 30 GB, free EBS snapshot of general purpose. So like if you remember, like whenever you started launching your EC2 server, in that time it will show you by default like EBS storage, how much we can launch our server. By default freestyle it will show 30 GB. That is the point. This then it is a network drive. It use the network communication the instant, which means there might be a bit of latency. It can be detached from EC2 instance and attached from another quickly. So if you attached one EC2 server, for example you created manually one EBS volume, that you attached one EC2 server. So that EC2 got deleted, like terminated, like we don't require anything. You just delete that EC2 Like you just enable delete production in EBS, it will not delete the your EBS. So this EBS I want to attach same requirement, you want to attach the separate EC2 server. In that time just attach first it will terminate, that server got terminate, it will detach automatically. Otherwise we can detach manually also, that I will show you in practice session. Once you detach, then it will attach second server also. Is there any other server requirement if for same, you can attach the second server also. This is the one of the concept. And you get build provision capacity, you increase the capacity. This is common for building. Okay, without delay we can go for practice session. Where is my AWS account? This is my AWS account. Let me go to home button, go to PC, sorry, go to EC2. Here also you can go to EC2. There is no any running mission. Let me check if you required for starting, then I will start. I think it will not require for EC2 running. By default, see, this is my volume ID. By default, whenever I installed EC2 server, in that time by default one EBS volume got attached. Oh, let me check. Go to EBS volumes, just search this. See, this is my one of the EC2 server. This is Jenkins master. Now go to again EC2 server. Just I will start demo. I just want to show you some points here. That's why I just, this is common everything. Go down here, storage. If you click advanced, here there is a options. This is the option. If you enable the delete of termination, so very important point, if you enable the delete of termination of yes, whenever you shut down your EC2 server, whenever you terminate your EC2 server, in that time EBS volume got also deleted automatically. Okay, this is very important point, you just remember it. If you want to add, for example, you created manually, in that EBS also you can select it here, then just add it. This is snapshots. Okay, sorry, this is the snapshot that I will show you tomorrow, snapshot session. This is, remember it, delete production. This is the one of the option for your protecting your EBS volume. After deleting your, after terminating your server, it will not delete your EBS volume. Okay, so now go to again EC2. Here it will yeah, here it is there. Okay, this is the option. Now go to volumes. I will show you how to create volume. Just create volume. I'm not going that much, I'm just adding 2. US East 1. Let me check where is my EC2 server. This is US East 1B. Let me install US East 1B only and just create it. Which one? I think this is the one, my ID, right? Now it is available state. Now let's see, this is still in available state, right? Just I selected this, go to action, here attach the volume and select your EC2 Jenkins master and attach the volume. Now go to your EC2, check out. maybe whenever it will start in that time also it will show. Let's see how it like this looks like. No, it got attached. See, now previously it is the only default 8 GB. Now I had attached 2 more GB, and this is I attached manually. This, see, this deletion protection is no. If you deleted, you terminated your server na, by default volume it will delete. If you attached manually, that it will not delete, so delete protection is no. So this is the one of the concept. Now go to again here, just detach the volume. If you detach, it will show again available. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Now see, it will show available point. It will show available state. So then you can go to your action again, delete the volume. Yes, this is the EBS, how you can attach and how to detach, how to delete, how to enable the deletion protection. These are the concept we are discussed today. These are the points we remember every time whenever EBS is using. These are the main points we need to remember for attaching or detaching and enable deletion, everything. Okay. There is a one more concept also for creating snapshot, how we can protect our snapshot. By default it will delete, how we can protect that I will show you tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for your cooperating. We'll meet tomorrow.